Hi everybody. Today we're going to do lesson 8-9. The lesson that we did last was supposed to be 8-8. I just named it 8-7 by mistake. Okay, so 8-9. Lesson 8-9. Whoop, need a pen. We're going to get this right. 8-9. And that's going to be, we're going to multiply binomials again, but you're going to see it's a little different. Okay, all right, so I'm going to show you why it's different. So example number 1 is 3x plus 1 and x plus 1 times x plus 1. All right, so 3x plus 1 times x plus 1. We make a box. While I'm making the box, do you see what's different yet? So there's my messy box. Okay, so the rest of the problems that we've done, except for maybe one, just had an x in the front. This has a 3x in the front here. So we just have to be careful of that. That's all. So we're going to do everything else the same. So 3x and then a positive 1 are the two terms in the first binomial. They go on the top. On the side is x and then 1, or positive 1 if you want to call it that. I did on the top. You might as well do it on the left too. All right, now 3x times x. Well, x times x is x squared. 3x times x is 3x squared. Okay, you just bring that number along. All right, now the rest of it's x times 1 is x, and then 3x times 1 is 3x, and then lastly we do 1 times 1 to get into the last box. Okay, now we take everything out of the box. 3x squared. This is a positive and this is a positive, so we write plus x plus 3x plus 1. Lots of pluses. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to combine like terms to simplify this expression. And our final answer is going to be 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. Okay? All right, if you didn't get that all down, please pause or go back and listen to it again. Okay, example number 2. Well, okay, example number 2 is 2x plus 2 and then x plus 5. Okay, we make a box. You guys are going to be pros at this. Cut the box in 4. 2x and 2 go on the top. You could put a positive 2 if you like. X and positive 5 go on the left. So you have 2x times x, which is, well, x times x is x squared. 2x times x is 2x squared. All right, then we go over to this box here. So it's going to be 2 times x, which is 2x. Then we're going to go down here. 2x times 5 is 10x. And 5 times 2 is 10. Okay, now we take everything out of the box. 2x squared comes out, plus 2x, plus 10x, plus 10. Okay, so now what we're going to do is combine like terms. So now our final answer is going to be, we'll bring down the 2x squared, combine the 2x and the 10x to make it 12x, and then plus 10. And there you go. That's example number 2. Again, if I went too fast, just go back and listen to it again and you'll catch the rest of it then. All right, let's see. I'm going to move these up. Example number 3. Okay, example number 3. 7x plus 3 and x minus 1. Oh, this one has a minus in it. We're not going to have all those plus, plus, plus. All right, make your box. Break it into 4. 7x and plus 3 are the two terms that go on top, so 7x and positive 3. X and negative 1 go on the left, so x times negative 1. We multiply to get into the box. Listen, if you already know how to do this, pause and then do it yourself and then come back and just look to see if you got the same answer as me. If you want to do it with me, that's fine also. 7x times x is 7x squared. 3 times x is 3x. 7x times negative 1 is negative 7x. And 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. So we take everything out of the box. 7x squared, that's a positive 3x. That's a negative 7x. And then a negative 3. Okay, we're going to combine like terms. So the 7x squared comes down. This is 3x minus 7x. So it's taking away more than there are there. So it has to be a negative. 3 minus 7 is negative 4x. Sorry, hold on. Negative 4x and then minus 3. Box it and move on. That was example 3. All right, 4. Oops. Oy, oy, oy. 4. Okay, number 4 is 3x minus 1. Oh, there's that minus, the subtraction again. Oh, and then x minus 5, so it's 2 subtractions. Okay, make a box. Again, if you know how to do this, pause the video, do it yourself. If not, stick with me. Oh my goodness, this pen today. Okay, 3x minus 1 goes on top. X minus 5 goes on the left. Okay, so it's the first binomial on the top, 3x minus 1, and the second binomial on the left side. Okay, we're going to multiply into the box. So 3x times x is 3x squared. Negative 1 times x is negative 1x. And then 3x times negative 5. Well, negative 5 times 3 is negative 15. So negative 5 times 3x is negative 15x. And lastly, we have negative 5 times negative 1 to go into the last box. Well, a negative times a negative, you have to be careful there, is a positive, and 5 times 1 is 5. And now we have 3x squared minus 1x minus 15x plus 5. Okay, so we're going to combine like terms. And we're going to rewrite this or simplify this to be 3x squared. This is negative 1 and negative 15. Negative 1 plus negative 15, or negative 1 minus 15, is negative 16x. And then plus 5. Oh, that was supposed to be in pink. I'll box it in pink. Oh. Okay. So I'm going to put 4 up for you to do. I would like you to try these. Okay, so hit pause and try these on your own. And when you come back, when you hit play again, you'll have the answers up. You'll see how what my answers are. Hopefully you'll have the same. Okay, everybody, here are the answers. I hope you did okay with them. If you just got one or one wrong or just part of one wrong, you probably just made a multiplication or addition mistake. But hopefully by now you're getting these down. And yeah, that's it. I hope you have a great day. And I'll see you on the next video. Well, I'll not see you, but I'll be thinking of you on the next video. Haha. Bye.